Amla has a variety of wonderful health benefits, some are here. Number 1. Amla contains 20 times more vitamin C than orange, promoting a stronger immune system and reducing skin issues like acne and dryness. Number 2. Eating either the fruit or drinking the juice helps with skin problems such as acne and dry skin. Regular consumption helps enhance skin elasticity, leading to anti-aging effects in youthful skin. Number 3. High in fiber and iron, Amla reduces cholesterol levels. It decreases the production of free radicals in the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Polyphenol in Amla prevent excessive oxidation and regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetics. Number 5. Drinking Amla juice increases sperm production, addressing issues related to low sperm count. Number 6. Its fiber content, high water levels, and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for stomach problems and acidity. Number 7. Amla is dried and powdered to make amla oil, which enriches the hair, reduces hair fall, combats premature graying, and heals a dry, itchy scalp. To use, massage amla oil into the scalp after shampooing, leave for 15 minutes, and rinse. Number 8. Amla powder, mixed with honey, is effective in treating sore throats and colds. Number 9. Regular consumption of amla fruit or juice helps the body fight cancer and reduces risks. Number 10. Rich in vitamin A, amla promotes better eyesight and prevents eye disorders. Number 11. Amla helps the body absorb proteins, boosting metabolic rate for faster weight loss and increased energy. So, it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching.